What's up, guys? This is Specialist Lee from Steadfast Courage, and today is especially a great day because I'm going to be installing the ROMERO1PR0 on my Sig P320. I'm pretty dang excited, so let's get down to the nitty gritty and make it happen. The ROMERO1PR0 1x30mm miniature reflex. It's going to be installed on this sexy beast right here. It's fairly simple, my good people. So it comes with the cover, the beautiful sights. It looks like a hood for it. Oh, that's pretty neat. Comes with the hood protecting it. Protective casing. That's pretty boss right there. It looks like the tool to take out the battery. Comes with these little star Allen wrenches, the battery, and these here bolts. So that's pretty nice. So I'm gonna install the battery. Negative goes down, positive goes up. Let's do a check, see if it works. We don't want a broken Romeo. Magic. It's gorgeous. I'm already in love with it. Turned it off for now. Now we're going to disassemble the Sig. It's fairly simple, my people. Unlock it to the rear. Lever. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm gonna use our trusty little Allen wrench. First, before we use our trusty Allen wrench, we gotta depress this button over here. And it takes a little work. I'm gonna have to use a Gerber to depress it. Comes right out, just like that. That little plate comes right out. You pull that spring assembly out, and watch out for this little guy right there. That little guy is gonna come right out if you don't be careful. You might lose it, and you're screwed, and you have to buy it apart from on the line. You pull that bad boy out right there. Then we use a trusty Allen wrench. Unscrew it. Voila! We take that bad boy off. We still got our screws in here, so be careful. The screws are still in there. Now we're gonna put this bad boy on. This sexy beast. Watch out for that spring right there. See that little spring? That thing's gonna pop out on you. See, just popped out on me just now. You just put it back right there. This weapon's a bit clean. This weapon's a bit dirty because I have never cleaned it. I've never cleaned it because I want to show you guys how reliable this weapon is. And if I cleaned it, it would kind of defeat the purpose of what I want to do. Put that plate on. We'll put this hard to put on backwards, so I don't have to worry. So we're going to take out these little screws because we're not going to need it. I want to use these screws that are provided. Are a bit difficult to get out. Pain in the balls. That's why you got tools. Remember to be careful with that little screw. That little spring right there. You don't want to lose that damn thing. Now we're placing it on there. Now we're using these. Look at it. Fairly simple, people. Fairly simple. It's not rocket science. Even a grunt like me can handle it. Now we're gonna install these here kajiggers. You gotta be careful because I just lost this piece. So that's why you gotta be careful. That little guy right there falls out very easy. Get it back in. Take that off. So you gotta feng shui it on there perfectly, because these two pieces are touching like that, so you gotta be careful to get it right. Now we're back together. You're gonna press it. It's a real pain in the balls. Let me just tell you that right now. There we go. Now we got it. You had to press that little spring down. Now you gotta press this spring down again. Perfect. We made lemonade. That's how you make lemonade right there. Now you're gonna put that back there. I put it on backwards, so no, I didn't. Put that spring back on there. Kablamo! Now the next step is fairly simple. You're just gonna slide that there. Perfect. And you're gonna function check this bad boy. Functions check. You're gonna pull back. It resets it. Resets the trigger. Obviously there's no rounds in the weapon, so you're just gonna pull. So I'm having a malfunction with mine, so I'm gonna have to disassemble it again. So when that happens, when you have a malfunction, you pull the trigger. You have a malfunction like that. Don't pull the trigger. You're gonna rack it back just like that again. Function check. So we're making lemonade right there. That's how you make lemonade. That's perfect. So that's how you put the Romeo sights on it. It's pretty boss. It already looks so good. That's pretty cut and dry. That's how you install the ROMERO1Pro. It's pretty simple. It ain't rocket science. If this guy can do it, anyone can do it. This ROMERO1Pro cost a pretty penny. It cost me 400 bucks. I'll let you guys know if it was worth it. I'm gonna do some drills with it again to let you guys know what I think of it. If it's good, bad, worth it, worth the 4 honey sticks that I paid for it. So far, I like how it looks. It looks so bad. Just how it looks, I would say it's worth it. But if it's not worth it. If it doesn't work very good. So I'll let you guys know. And the next couple episodes, I'm gonna be testing that pistol out, and I'm gonna be testing out the AK-47, that customized video I made. So look forward to those 2 videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Specialist Lee out.